My dear students, today we are going to cover Home and Love poem by Robert William Service, class 9th. Home and Love poem by Robert William Service. Here is the picture of Robert William Service. Look at here. We are going to discuss today about the poet, stanza wise explanation, notes in glossary, word notes, a summary of the poem, finally objective questions and answer in this video. About the poet, Robert William Service was born in 1874 and he was died in 1958. Robert William Service was born in Preston, England. His father was a banker and Robert became a banker too. At the age of 15 in 1896, he immigrated to Canada and then moved to California. Some years later, while living in Yukon, he was inspired to write poems. He wrote and found a publisher who liked his poetry. His first book of poems, Songs of a Sword Dog, was published in 1908. The poem Home and Love is from a collection called Rhymes of a Rolling Stone. Remember it, the poem Home and Love is from a collection called Rhymes of a Rolling Stone. The title summed up Service life. He loved traveling. Robert Service died in 1958. He was honored in 1976 on a Canadian postage stamp. Canadian postage stamp is an honor, is an award. Look at our poem, Home and Love, stanza 1. Just home and love. The words are small, 4 little letters onto each, and yet you will not find in all the wide and gracious range of speech. 2 more so tenderly complete, when angels talk in heaven above, I am sure they have no words more sweet than home and love. Just home and love. ठीक होम एंड लव कहा को आमे नमा होम एंड लव को द वर्ड्स आर स्मॉल दुही वर्ड होम एंड लव बोथ वर्ड्स आर स्मॉल 4 little letters on to each 4 little letter HOME 1 2 3 4 LOV 1 2 3 4 little letters onto each. Onto means it is a preposition to till until, but here 4 little letters onto each. प्रत्येक को 4टी लेटर अच्छी प्रत्येक को 4टी लेटर and yet you will not find in all and yet तथापि you will not find in all कौन सी थिरे भी पाई पारिबो नाही कहा को home and love को. The wide and gracious range of speech, the wide विस्तृत and gracious range of speech. Gracious means pleasant and sweet. Gracious range of speech means sweet talks of human being. मनुष्य समाज रो सुंदर कथा. The wide and gracious range of speech. And yet you will not find in कौन सी थिरे पाई पारिबो नहीं किंतु the wide and gracious range of speech ସେଥିରେ ଆମେ ପାଇପାରିବା. 2 more so tenderly complete. କିପରି ଭାବରେ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ୍ ହେଇଛନ୍ତି tenderly ମାନେ home and love both are tenderly complete. Home and love tenderly complete. Tenderly means gentle and caring feeling. When angels talk in heaven above, ଯେତେବେଳେ angel ମାନେ ପରି God's messenger, when angels talk in heaven above, heaven where God lives, abode of God, भगवान जोठारे रहंती. when स्वर्ग When angels talk in heaven above, ଯେତେବେଳେ ପରୀମାନେ ସ୍ୱର୍ଗରେ କଥା ହୁଅନ୍ତି, I am sure ମୁଁ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ here I refers to the poet Robert William Service. I am sure they have no words more sweet than home and love. Compare କରାହେଇଛି more sweet comparative degree, positive comparative and superlative degree, more sweet than home and love. Home and love रो more sweet ଆଉ ସେମାନଙ୍କର ପାଖରେ ଶବ୍ଦ ନାହିଁ କାର ପାଖରେ angels ମାନଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ God's messenger ମାନଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ look at the stanza 2 just home and love ପୁଣି ଥରେ ସେଇ home and love କୁ ନେବା just home and love it's hard to guess ଏହା hard to guess ଅନୁମାନ କରିବା ବହୁତ କଠିନ which of the two were best to gain which of the two এই দুই ভিতରୁ home and love two means কাকে home and love ভিতରୁ which of the two were best to gain ଏ ଦୁଇ ଭିତରୁ କେନ୍ ଜିନିଷଟା ଭଲ ବେଶୀ ଭଲ which of the two were best to gain ମାନେ ପାଇବା to get ପାଇବା ପାଇଁ କେନ୍ ଜିନିଷଟା ବେଶୀ ଭଲ home କି love which of the two were best to gain it's hard to guess ଏହା ଅନୁମାନ କରିବା ବହୁତ କଠିନ home without love is bitterness love without home is often pain remember these two lines this is very important a home without love is bitterness home घर without love बिना स्नेहरे is bitterness तिक्तता feels angry and resentful bitterness love without home is often pain love without home स्नेह बिना घରରେ is often pain ଏହା often ମାନେ frequency adverb frequency often बारंबार often pain ମାନେ କଷ୍ଟଦାୟକ love without home बिना घରରେ ସ୍ନେହ କଷ୍ଟଦାୟକ ଅଟେ ଆଉ ବିନା ସ୍ନେହରେ ଘର ତିକ୍ତତା ସୃଷ୍ଟି କରିଥାଏ no ନୁହଁ each alone will seldom do ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ each alone will seldom do means they are close to each other each alone will seldom do means close to seldom means hardly rarely ମାନେ क्वचित बहुत कम each alone will seldom do no ନୁହଁ ସେ ଦୁହିଟା home and love each alone ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ଏକାକୀ ରହିବାଟା seldom do ସେମାନେ ଏକାକୀ ରହିବା ବହୁତ କଷ୍ଟ seldom do somehow in one way not specified means ଯାହା ବି ହଉ somehow ଯାହା ବି ହଉ they travel hand and glove ସେମାନେ hand and glove travel କରନ୍ତି means hand and glove means close to each other ସେମାନେ ସବୁବେଳେ close to each other ରହିଥାନ୍ତି hand and glove both are close to each other there is no hand there is no glove if there is glove then always glove what हमें हाथों रे ही glove टा पिंधवा ना hand and glove means close to each other if you win one जदि तुम्हें गोटे को जीती जीव होम को जीत अबा लव को जीत if you win one you must have to तुम पाखरे दुईटा home and love you must have to दुईटा तुम पाखरे अच्छी रहिबो both home and love क्यों गोड़ा both home and love words notes always remember the words note gain to get bitterness feels angry and resentful seldom hardly rarely somehow in one way not specified hand and glove close to each other home and love stanza 3 and if you have both जदि दुईटा तुम पाखरे अच्छी home भी अच्छी और love भी अच्छी well then I am sure तो मु निश्चित अटे I refers to the poet Robert William Service well then I am sure मु निश्चित अटे you ought to means should उचित you ought to sing the whole day long whole throughout the day whole means समग्र दिनटा सारा you ought to sing the whole day long तुम्हें दिनटा सारा sing करिबो गीत गाइबो माने खुशी रे रहिबो ought to sing means you live happily the whole day long you ought to sing the whole day long दिनटा सारा तुम्हें खुशी रे रहिबो it doesn't matter if you are poor ଏହା गोटे विषय नुह it doesn't matter if you are poor तुम्हें poor होई थाओ ना काहे की ଏହା गोटे विषय नुह poor होइतिले मध्ये चलिबो if you are poor with these means home and love with these एई दुईटा को नै home and love को नै to make divine your song तम गीत को से खुशीटा को तुम कौन करि परबो डिवाइन करि परबो result from the action of God means स्वर्गीय with these to make divine your song and so I praisefully repeat तेणु मु ମୁଁ କିଏ ରବର୍ଟ ୱିଲିୟମ ସାର୍ଭିସ୍ ପ୍ରେଜଫୁଲି ରିପିଟ୍ ବହୁ ଆନନ୍ଦର ସହିତ ମୁଁ ରିପିଟ୍ କରୁଛି when angels talk in heaven above ଯେତେବେଳେ ଏଞ୍ଜେଲ ମାନେ ହେଭେନରେ କଥା ହୁଅନ୍ତି there are no words more simply sweet than home and love ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଆଉ କୌଣସି ନୂତନ ଶବ୍ଦ ନାହିଁ more simply sweet than home and love କୁ ଛାଡ଼ି ଅନ୍ୟ କୌଣସି ଆଉ ସୁନ୍ଦର ଶବ୍ଦ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ନାହିଁ more simply sweet ସୁନ୍ଦର ମିଠା ଶବ୍ଦ ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ନାହିଁ okay look at the summary of the poem and here is a quote look at here a house is made of wood जदि गोटे हाउस मेड ऑफ वुड एंड स्टोन गोटे घरटी क्या तैयारी हुई वुड एंड स्टोन रे बट किंतु ओनली लव कैन मेक ए होम किंतु स्नेह घर रे नहीं तो ताहा घर बोली मना जीवो नहीं ओके तो निहाती भाव रे घर अच्छे तो स्नेह निहाती अच्छी ओके तो समरी ऑफ द पोएम लुक एट हियर summary of the poem is very simple. The summary of the poem of our poem Home and Love by Robert William Service is very simple. Home and love are two small words with only 4 letters. In each, yet together, they are the most tenderly complete in the whole gracious range of speech. It is sure that when angels talk in heaven, their sweetest words are home and love. Home and love are so inseparable that it is hard to decide which of the two is best. Love without home is bitterness and home without love is pain. Each alone is never enough. Somehow they always go together. If you gain love, you should also have home. If you gain home, you should also have love. You must have both together. If you have both home and love, you must sing the whole day long. Even if you are poor, it doesn't matter. But with home and love, you must sing divine song of gratitude to God. So repeat the verse. Verse means the poem. So repeat the verse. When angels talk in heaven, there are no sweeter word than home and love. Then home and love. No sweeter word than home and love. Okay. Look at your objective question and answer. Which words are important in the first line of the poem? The words home and love are important in the first line of the poem. Home and love. The poem Home and Love is written by Robert William Service. Home and love complete each other's. How? Kipori? Tenderly. Home and love complete each other tenderly. It is hard to guess which were best to gain. दुई भितर केनटा तुम बेस्ट सेटा आम अनुमान करवा बहुत कठिन. It is hard to guess. Home without love is bitterness. Love without home is often pain. One can enjoy real happiness from home and love even if he is poor. Dex the poet repeats the significance of home and love. Praisefully the poet repeats the significance of home and love. One can sing the whole day if he possess means dharana kare. If he possess both home and love. Home and love travel hand in glove. It means they close to each other. Home and love travel hand in glove. It means they close to each other. No, each alone will seldom do. This means they travel hand in glove. No, each alone will seldom do. This means they travel hand in glove. The angels don't have words. Text then home and love more simply sweet. Home and love are sweet because they contain wide and gracious range of speech. मधुरमय कथा भितर ताहा थाए. What does the line wide and gracious range of speech convey? Wide and gracious range of speech convey what? Pleasant or sweet talks of human being. Dex is a place where angels talk. Heaven is a place where angels talk. Love can seldom exist without home. Home बिना घर होम बिना स्नेह नुह स्नेह बिना घर नुह दिस इज द मेन थीम दैट आवर poet Robert William Service like to convey to us. Okay, thank you so much. Need your feedback, need your comments. How do you feel about this video? Keep loving literature. Thank you so much.